PVC trim is similar to installing traditional wood trim, without the worry of wood rot or paint failure. Using the Cortex screw system, you can install your trim, plug, and then move on without any further steps required. The installer here test fits an outside miter, primarily to allow for a small amount of seasonal expansion and contraction. Kleer trim, when properly fastened, will expand or contract approximately 1/8 of an inch depending on temperature differences. Leaving room for this movement in the corners will prevent the corner from opening up in cold weather. Many installers use trim nailers to set the Kleer PVC trim boards in place, and then come back and perform the necessary fastening using approved fasteners. Be sure to follow up with the appropriate fasteners to prevent unintentional movement of the board. The Cortex plugs come in collated strips, making installation much easier and much faster. When installing PVC trim for window surrounds, it is still important to follow local code requirements, and it's a good practice to install a head flashing to divert water to the outside. While the PVC is not affected by the water, other building components can be adversely affected when water gets trapped behind building components. The head flashing is installed in place, and then flashing tape is used to seal the top of the flashing to the structure. Proper fastener locations and spacing can be found in Kleer's installation instructions. Boards smaller than 8 inches wide require 2 fasteners fastened to framing no more than 16 on center apart. Wider boards up to 12 inch require 3 fasteners across the face at 16 on center. When joining longer runs of Kleer trim, an angled scarf joint provides a larger surface for the application of Kleer PVC adhesive. This will make a stronger joint. This is Kleer's 4 to 7 minute fast cure 2-part adhesive. You want to apply the adhesive to only one side of the joint and then fasten the trim into place. Once all the fasteners have been properly installed, the plugs have been inserted, just a quick wipe down and the job is complete.